Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. An intelligent man, a scholar with a trained mind, came one day to a village. He wanted to compare, as an exercise and a study, the different points of view which might be represented there. He went to the caravanserai and asked for the most truthful inhabitant and also the greatest liar of the village. The people who were there agreed unanimously that the man called Kazab was their greatest liar and the man called Rastko was the truthful one. In turn, he visited them, asking each a simple question. What is the best way to the next village? The Rastko, the truthful, said, the mountain path. The greatest liar, Kazab, also said, the mountain path. Not unnaturally, this puzzled the traveler a great deal that the Kazab, the greatest liar, and the Rastko, the truthful, gave the same answer. So he asked a few others, ordinary citizens. Some said the river, others said across the fields, and some other again said the mountain path. But anyways, he took the mountain path, but in addition to the matter of the goal of his journey, the problem of the truthful and the liars of the village troubled him. When he got to the next village and he settled down in a rest house, he asked that I evidently made the basic logical mistake of asking the wrong people for the names of the truthful and the liar, because both of them, they gave the same answer and I arrived here quite easily by the mountain path. Upon listening to the man who was sitting nearby, a very wise man, he spoke. Logicians, it must be admitted, tend to be blind and have to ask others to help them. But the matter here is otherwise. The facts are thus, the river is the easiest route. So the liar suggested you the mountain. But the truthful man, he was not only truthful, but he noticed that you had a donkey and you do not have a boat. So he suggested you to go through the mountain path, which would be easy for you. The liar happened to be unobservant of the fact that you had no boat. Otherwise, he would have suggested the river. People find the capacities and blessings of the Sufis impossible to believe. But such people are those who have no knowledge of real belief. They believe all kinds of things which are not true because of habit or because they are told them by the people of authority. Real belief is something else. Those who are capable of real belief are those who have experienced a thing. When they have experienced, capacities and blessings merely reported are of no use to them.